We're back Knife Nuts, and today we're talking about the MKM Colvera, designed by Jesper Vaknes. Let's go ahead and get you the close-up here. As you can tell, it is a Framelock. It's got a nice large blade on it. Let's slide this out of the way. Of course, it comes in a box with the case, which you can mount on your belt if you want. Alright. This carry is 7 inches overall. It's 2.9 for the blade. The blade is rounded on the top here at the spine, just above the furrow. Has a very thick blade at 1.25 inch. Rockwell on this is in between 58 and 60. It has a see-through chassis and what I like to call a bullet spacer, because it's not just 2 barrel spacers here, it's one piece spacing the back half of the knife. Room for a lanyard. Does run on ball bearing pivots, has a ball bearing pivot. It's got a nice little brass accent there. This is a tip-up carry, right hand of course. It's a Framelock. The frame is titanium. It's a flipper. I think I mentioned that the blade is Bowler M390. Drop point, flat grind, stone washes the finish. Weighs in at about 3.6 ounce. So it's very lightweight. Of course, this is the part of the MKM line. Very nice. Let's grab some cardboard here. Well, we'll start off with the Paracord. Let's show you how it cuts. It's M390, so it's going to be sharp. A little bit of fraying there. Let's give that another try. Still a little bit of fraying. This one might need a little touch up. Let's go ahead and grab some cardboard here. You can tell it's fairly sharp on the tip area. Cuts pretty good. That nice rounded back there helps force its way down into the cardboard as we're cutting it. Like that, that's a positive. Not too bad. Let's go ahead and just wipe it off there. Alright, so we'll give you another close-up of it. And then the back side. Then we'll close it up for you. Not a bad little knife. I like it. So this one also has the steel reinforced lock bar. It gives it a dependable lockup, which is nice. The flipper tab on this is actually removable. So then you can just use the nail nick for it, because in some places that would make this an illegal knife. Normally not in this country, but in others. Once again, this is the MKM Colvera, designed by Jesper Vaknes. For those of you that are watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You won't be disappointed. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We have tons of knife posts every day. We post videos, giveaways, tons of stuff. On that note, this is the MKM Colvera, and I am C with Atlantic Knife. Signing off.